Hello, friends. Today, we're soaring above the stunning waters and green landscapes of Tahiti. Get ready to explore this paradise in our ultimate travel guide. Welcome to Tahiti, a magical place in the middle of the ocean. Known as a dream destination, Tahiti is in French Polynesia, a special part of the world. Tahitian culture. Now let's talk about the heart of Tahiti, its culture. Watch lively dances, hear beautiful music, and learn about local traditions. Tahitian people are warm and friendly. Overwater bungalows. Imagine staying in one of these special overwater bungalows. They're like houses on the water, and you're surrounded by clear blue lagoons and amazing sea creatures. Activities in Tahiti. Time for adventure! Snorkel with sharks, hike through green mountains, and experience the beauty of Tahiti's coral reefs. There's so much to explore. Gastronomic journey. Let's taste Tahiti! Enjoy local dishes, fresh seafood, and a mix of French and Polynesian flavors. Don't miss trying these delicious regional treats at local markets. Romantic getaways. Calling all lovebirds. Tahiti is known for romance. Picture private beachside dinners and resorts perfect for couples. It's a dreamy place for lovers. In a nutshell, Tahiti is pure magic. Plan your own Tahiti adventure. Click the Request Quote button for more details. Thank you for joining us, and remember to subscribe for more travel dreams. Before you go, explore more travel stories with our logo. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. Happy travels, TravelHolics!